Okay, so again, I'm working with day 103, mixed numbers and grids, and I am working on subtraction, but this time I'm going to use my subtraction problem, and I'm going to solve it using the area model. So let me go ahead and make sure that I have everything that I need for that. When we are using the area model, we only have to draw the first part of our problem. So in this case, I'm going to need 6 full boxes and then a 7th box for my fractions. Alright, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and so I have 6 holes, and then the next one that I'm going to have is going to be split into fifths. So go ahead and make that's fifths. And it's 3/5 that need to be shaded in. And this is very similar to the other video that we watched in class, but just wanted to do it again to make sure that we really understood what was going on. So since we are subtracting, and we're subtracting from 6 3/5, I noticed that what I'm trying to take away is 2 7/10. I do have enough whole boxes to go ahead and take 2 complete boxes out of my group, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, I just happened to notice that 10 is actually a multiple of 5. So I can take this last box and turn it into tenths, but I still don't have enough to take 7. So I'm going to make this box into tenths, because that's what I'm taking away. And I'm going to go ahead and take away 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm left with 3 whole boxes and 9 tenths. And that is one way that you can use the area model to solve a subtraction problem. Now, while I'm on this, I'm going to go ahead and use the area model, but I'm going to use it to solve an addition problem. So the problem that I'm going to be working with is 4 2/5 plus 1 1/3. This time, I'm actually going to need to draw both sets of boxes. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to represent the first one. Put my plus sign. I'll go ahead and make my second set, which is going to be 2 boxes. Go ahead and fill them in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change the color. Make that 1. My first box is going to be split into fifths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to shade it in. It's just 2/5. The other one is into thirds. So I'm going to split that one into thirds. And I'm going to make my lines vertical. So that way whenever I crisscross them, I can see how they actually overlap. And that's 1/3. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them a common denominator. So in order to do that, I need to kind of overlay each box on top of each other. So I'm taking these lines and I'm going to add them to this box. So it's 2 vertical lines. And then I'm going to take these lines and I'm going to add them to this box, which is 4 horizontal lines. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite my new fraction. So for the green one, I now have 4 wholes and 6/15ths. And for the second one, I have 1 and 5/15ths. Now, another way to get your common denominator was by multiplying these two denominators together, and that's how I got 15. So when I add them, I see that I get 5 and 11/15ths. It is in simplest form. 11 is a prime number. The only numbers that divide evenly into it are 1 and 11. And 11 does not divide evenly into 15. So your answer should be 5 and 11/15ths.